Was it Tillman that had guessed the half? 99? 999 and a half cans. Was it Tillman that did that? Yo. What's up? I didn't even bring my wallet.
I just got out of prison, bro. I'm really hungry, bro.
Yeah, I didn't even bring my wallet with me. I'm out here digging in the trash trying to get some monies off of Oakland.
Dang, man, I'm really hungry, bro. You don't got like a few dollars or something?
I didn't even bring a wallet. I'm out here picking up scrap metal to get some extra cash. Yeah, I don't bring a wallet or smokes when I come out. Sorry, buddy. Boy, these alleys are trashed. Actually, let's go down that alley. Let's go down this one. That's my thing. I tell them I was like, I don't carry my smokes or wallet when I come out here to the fields. Normally I don't. Normally I don't. And that's true, I don't have it. Hey. Hey, my light fell off. Well, shoot now. How's that work, man? How's that even work? Okay. Steel chair. I'm gonna take it. I don't know. Should we take it? Huh, weird. I really don't wanna. What the hell? Alright, what the hell, right? Oh, well. That almost goes through perfectly. Look at that. Yeah, come on, guy. Alright, we got the chair. Rag and bone, man. Straight up rag and bone. Flat boy. Well, I wouldn't say straight up rag and bone. Really nowhere near rag and bone. I'll take the metal though. A lot of other stuff we'll keep on the street. That boy. I say sometimes when I'm in motion, I don't stop for all the flat boys. But we'll pick these flatties. We'll pick them flatties up. Jimmy. I didn't mention on the live that on the live sesh today, we ended up talking about channels I haven't uploaded in a while. Like Florida Scrapper, Uberism, of course, Mr. Scrappity. Somebody brought up Jimmy, and I didn't mention that I had his number, so I shot him a text to see what was up. Damn, I didn't bring my cutters. We didn't bring the cutters, man. Well, look at all this. Oh, this old sheet. Good stuff. We'll take it. Probably come back for more. So yeah, I gave Jimmy an old text to see what he's been up to. He's been busy. He's been busy. So that's what I figured. He always looks busy, him and Badge. Two busy people right there. Two busy boys. I'll show you guys a secret on how to get a cord off a vacuum. When you got no snips, grab it firmly in your hand, wear some gloves. Firmly in your hand, step down. Hold on to that though. Step down hard. And then we clean up our messes. Because people are watching. Jimmy did say he had like 6 hours of footage though to go through. He did say he had 6 solid hours of footage to run through. So it sounds like we got some stuff coming. He said he after the day and getting home and hanging with the fam and eating, and he has mentioned there's times, man, like he was up at like 1 in the morning editing. He's talking about being up at 1 in the morning and doing the editing. It's like, well, geez, cuz you get up at 4. Because I've seen you call Badger at 5. It's a rough business, man, being a creator. Being busy as a creator, like full-time job, it's hard. It's hard. It's not, I mean, I wish it could be just as easy as setting up your camera on a tripod and letting it go. And I guess it could work sometimes too, but not when you really want to show off what's going on. You want to get close-ups, you want to slow down so you can talk about more information. That's a bummer. We'll take the flat boys. Flat boy. Muddy boy. I don't even know what I was saying. See, these real-time videos might get me stumbled up because I'm not a very smooth talker, and there's a lot of times I'm editing out a lot of stuff I repeated because it didn't sound right the first time. There's more of that junk. I don't know if I should be grabbing that. I'm not going to grab anything from here, but yeah, there's that steel BX cable I was talking about. That guy's boss makes him strip at the scrap yard. I was like, he has you strip that stuff? He's like, yeah, man. So I'm going to tell you right now, I'm going to hide this stuff. Turned in like 100 pounds of that stuff, man. The steel BX cable. I was talking about it on the live, I think it was. I don't know when I was talking about it. Holy cows. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. All right, there's an oven. And I don't have my clippers. Shit, man, I'm hightailing it back to the crib. Who's with me? Who is with me on that one? No, I don't stop at the stop signs unless there's traffic coming. I don't stop. It's a lot of cyclists do that. A lot of cyclists do that. Rode over a crazy flat boy. It was flattened, folded, flattened, folded, flattened, and folded and flattened. So what I did today, I just uploaded the first clip out of 3. So this one here, I'll probably watch all the clips, see what has the best findings in it, and use that one. I don't know. I'll figure out how to upload more than one clip and edit it, you know. Oh yeah. I'll figure out how to upload more than one clip and then, you know, of course, splice them all together. I'll figure it out. Oh, I should have just let that guy go. Fly boy. Well, sweating. We're all sweating now. Sorry. Here we go. Maybe not. We had too much weight in the cart. I couldn't get past. I couldn't get in front of that car. I got too much weight in the cart. It's weird because I really didn't pick up a whole lot. It didn't seem like. That thing was dragging me down though. Yeah, it is. Tomorrow is trash day, so. And I have missed. Just making a note, my head's shaking. I feel the GoPro shaking right now. Bouncing around on my head. Just a note for how stable it is. Because I noticed when I mentioned the last time, it was bouncing all over my head. It was pretty stable. And then I was also mentioning the wind. These are just notes to myself when I say something about how bumpy it is or it's awful windy. So I can see how everything's doing.